Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everyone doing today? Today we are going to make Palak Paneer, spinach with the cottage cheese in there. Let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make Palak Paneer. Okay, it's very simple, very easy to make it. Anybody can make this Palak Paneer. It's so easy. It doesn't take too much time. Okay, not even too many ingredients. Okay, let's go see. Okay, to make Palak Paneer, we need palak, spinach. I have some organic spinach, washed and cleaned. Then one thing I like about the making palak paneer is you don't have to chop palak. So you don't have to chop your spinach. You can just put the whole spinach and then you're going to be grinding that. And then we need some paneer. I made this paneer last week. So this recipe is on the channel. You can go check it on my description box. And we need some butter. And we need some whipping cream. And we need some onions. Not that much. I'm not going to use the whole thing. Then we need some oil. And I have some garlic, crushed garlic. And some crushed ginger. Some chopped green pepper. Some cumin seeds, zira. And some zira powder, cumin powder, roasted, and some red pepper. Not too much red pepper because the color will change. So just a little bit, half a spoon. And then I have a garam masala, half a spoon, and some salt to taste. Do not put too much salt because the spinach leaves are already salty. So we are going to go blanch the leaves. We are not going to cook, but we are going to put it in the hot water and then put it in the ice water, so the color maintains dark green when you do that. Okay, let's go see how to do that. Okay friends, we first have to blanch our spinach in the hot water, and then we're going to put in there's a hot water is boiling and I have the ice water over here. As soon as I'm not going to cook my spinach in the hot water, I'm just going to put it in there and remove it, so it will maintain the green color. Okay, otherwise if you don't do this step, this is very important step making palak paneer. If you miss this step, it's not going to be the same color. It's not going to give the green color to your dish. It's going to be either like a brown or maybe reddish color. It's not going to be the pretty color. So okay, so we're first going to go ahead and blanch this spinach. So this water is boiling, so I'm going to add all this spinach in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One thing I like it making palak paneer is I don't have to chop spinach. It looks like a lot of spinach, but once it's cooked, it's not going to be that much. It's very little. Okay, I'm just gonna dip it. Cook for only for a minute and a half or two. That's it. And we're gonna remove it. Put it in the cold water, ice water, so stop cooking. Okay guys, it took like 2 minutes to come to the boil like this again. So we're just going to remove this palak now and put it in the ice water. I'm going to remove it from the hot water. I'll turn the stove off and then you're going to put it in the cold water. So it's going to stop cooking to maintain the color. Okay, we remove all the spinach and put it in the water. Look still how great it is. So we are gonna, as soon as it gets a little bit colder, it's already almost cold because we have in the ice water. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind this and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, we'll be grinding this palak now, spinach. We'll remove all the spinach from the cold water. Put it in the grinder jar. Try to squeeze as much as water you can. So a little bit water you need it anyway to grind it. Instead of adding, that's fine. Okay friends, I just put 2 spoons of oil in there. It's hot. It's getting hot. Then I'm gonna add some butter, few pieces of butter. Let the butter melt. The oil is getting hot. Butter and oil. I'm gonna put some zira, cumin, whole cumin. We're gonna fry this for a little while. You can also add garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I put a lot of garlic in all the food. Okay. Whenever you put the garlic in the butter, it smells so good. The whole house starts smelling. So much fragrance, like aroma, food aroma. Okay. Now we're also gonna put ginger. And grate the ginger very finely. Okay. Some people put the tomatoes in there. I don't like it because it's gonna change the taste completely, and also it changes the appearance. It's like a reddish or brownish color. It's not green like a palak. Spinach is palak paneer is supposed to be green. Okay, now we will add green pepper. It's optional. If you don't eat spicy hot, you don't have to add it. Okay, now we're gonna add onions. I don't think I'm gonna put all these onions. I'm gonna put only half of the onions. We're gonna fry until the onions get a little softer. Okay friends, our onions are soft. See, that's all we needed. So we're gonna add rest of the masalas. I have cumin powder, 1 spoon, and red pepper, 1 spoon, garam masala, half a spoon, and some salt to taste. I'm going to fry for a few minutes. Okay, now we are going to put all this palak puree of spinach. See how green? Yummy, yummy. Okay, we are going to let it cook for a few minutes. Once it's come to the boil, then we are going to do the next step. Okay friends, our spinach is cooking for a little while. So it's almost done. So look at that. It looks so green and so yummy. So now I'm going to add paneer. A lot of people fry paneer before they put it, so it don't break. But I like little pieces when they break in there. So I'm not frying the paneer. I just put it like this and let it cook for a few minutes. Okay friends, our palak paneer is almost ready. So now we are going to put a little bit of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. Little bit. Okay, that's gonna make your dish richer, very rich. Look at the color. Beautiful. Let me serve in the bowl and show it to you how it looks. Okay. Okay friends, our palak paneer is ready. We'll put a little bit of butter on top. It's yummy. Okay, that's all palak paneer. Okay friends, thus our Palak Paneer is ready. So if you like my dishes, please subscribe and click like. It gives me the motivation to do more dishes. So it's not gonna cost you anything to subscribe. Please subscribe. If you are visiting to my channel, definitely subscribe please. Okay, bye. See you next video.